this video, I am going to talk about how can you get tokens into your Leonardo AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get tokens, you just simply have to open your Leonardo AI application. And after opening the application, you will get to see a bunch of options into your Leonardo AI. Now, you'll just simply have to tap into this More button into the bottom right corner. Just simply tap there, and after that you will get this option of manage subscription. Simply select the option of manage subscription in order to get the tokens in Leonardo AI. Now in here you will get this option of upgrade subscription. Tap into that, and then you will get this page where you will get three different plans. First one is apprentice, second one is artisan unlimited, and third one is maestro unlimited. Now in these three different packages you will get 8,500 tokens into the first apprentice package. In second you will get 25,000, and into the third one you will get 60,000. And this way you can very easily get tokens into your Leonardo AI by subscribing to any of the premium. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.